Hello viewers, how are you all? Hope you are all well. Today I will show you how to use mobile proxy. I will set up a proxy on AdsPower with the mobilehop. AdsPower browsers click and set up profile, login password, login profile. Mobilehop is a very good proxy server. By use the proxy, you can do different type of proxy. Amount 225 on month. You will come to the page from where the video description and link in provide. Once your account is created, you can purchase from here. License key, view proxy details, click here. Any proxy server, any proxy connected, any proxy. There is many type of proxy. You can use proxy from here as you wish. Connected WA proxy. My proxy is connected. HTTP or SOX 5 proxy mode, HTTP SOX 5 address and port copy, and I'm going to go to AdsPower browser. To download AdsPower browser, you type in Google's free download. Click here, and any type mode window to your computer. My computer 64-bit and downloaded a new profile and click here. Any profile name, Avishek. Okay, browser, Sun browser selected, Chrome, any Chrome selected, Airways, Flower browser. Okay. And group, any group name. Without group name, no problem. Customs and save proxy. Selected proxy. Proxy settings, please HTTP. My proxy HTTP or SOX 5 HTTP and SOX 5, any mode, Airways, HTTP and SOX 5 address and port copy. HTTP host and port adjust. Please enter the host and port. Okay, paste. Done. Username and password. Copy username and password, copy and paste. Okay, browser is run. My proxy setup done. Okay, thank you all.